Hello there guys and welcome to this unboxing of the live cam webcam. This is what I've gone for. I'll leave a link below in the comments. And as you can see, it's got 720p HD, 5.7 megapixel camera and noise cancelling microphone. Side, we've got some images of the webcam, and also on the back some examples of what it can do: video chatting, Skype calls, plug-in and play, no CD required. And on there got some technical features. Hopefully this works with Mac. I've been told it works with Mac, so we'll see. Let's get it open. Okay guys, so on the inside we've got a big empty box. Let's see what let's get out of here. Get a piece of cardboard. And here we've got a warranty support manual, quick start guide, got two quick start guides. What's the point in that? Last but not least, we have the camera itself. USB. Here's the front of it. It's got the camera there, name there, it's got a light there. So you can see there, you've got the speaker there, flash microphone, customisable button on the top. The only downside about this camera is you can only tip it up and down, no left or right features. So that's the live cam thing, and a review hopefully soon, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching guys.